Have you ever wanted to enjoy the perfect poached egg with silky, glossy whites and a creamy yolk that melts in your mouth, just like at a five-star restaurant? Most of us have experienced broken yolks, messy water, or that annoying white foam. If your previous attempts haven't worked out, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple and foolproof ways to make perfect poached eggs at home, even if it's your first time in the kitchen. Are you ready? Let's begin. To make perfect poached eggs, it's very important to use fresh ones. There are 2 easy ways to check freshness, by touch and by sound. Fresh eggs usually have a slightly rough shell with a thin white layer that acts as a natural protective film. When you shake a fresh egg gently, it stays silent, but older eggs will make a rattling sound because the contents have loosened inside. Before cooking, wash the eggs carefully to remove bacteria or dirt from the shell, since it can contain dust or chicken droppings. Prepare a bowl of clean water, add 1 tablespoon of salt, and stir until it dissolves completely. Place the eggs gently into the water, being careful not to crack them. Soak them for about 5 minutes. The salt water helps clean more thoroughly and has a mild antibacterial effect. After soaking, gently wipe the eggs with a soft paper towel to remove any remaining dirt. Change the water and rinse the eggs once more to make sure they are completely clean. After rinsing, place the eggs on a plate and let them dry. Now they're ready for cooking. Pour enough water into a pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. While waiting, prepare a ladle and add a little cooking oil, spreading it evenly inside. This thin layer of oil will prevent the egg from sticking while poaching. Gently crack 1 egg into the ladle. If you drop it directly into boiling water, the white can spread and create foam, while the yolk may sink and stick to the bottom. Holding the ladle just above the water allows the egg to warm slightly and start setting. Be careful not to let water splash in. Once the egg has firmed up a little, slowly lower the ladle into the pot. Because the egg already is shape, it will stay round and won't fall apart or foam. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, then carefully lift it out. Look at that, perfectly shaped poached eggs, with whites fully wrapping around the yolk. The texture is soft, smooth, and delicate, perfect to serve with breakfast, porridge, or noodles. Thanks to these simple tricks, even beginners can make perfect, restaurant-quality poached eggs right at home.